Top of the morning, lads. Welcome to today's little price action recap video. So we actually got this on a new TPT funded pro account, which is the daily payout one. So essentially, this is just essentially real money that I made now, because we passed the TPT eval and we're at the TPT funded. So we're gonna be going over this trade that we took this morning, Friday, June 12th. So coming in the market open, not looking at the original trade. This is what it was. This candle right there. We just absolutely dump, and I had a bullish bias, or a neutral bias, leaning bullish, in the overall time frame. I mean, we're just kind of, if we go to the hourly, um, at least before then we were respecting buy side imbalances, especially in the 30 minute too. Yeah, we were just respecting buy side imbalances on top of that, as well as a possible reversion on top of this external high. So, or we could really go up to this draw that I had marked up here, or the draw that I had down there. But besides that, we want to look at algorithmic entries or algorithmic signatures that were present to us at the start of the macro that align with our narrative. That's essentially what we're trying to do. So we're manipulating. We dump from 491 to 319. So that's a pretty big move, pretty big dump to this internal low right there, where we get a nice. We sweep the low right there. We get a nice. I'm actually just gonna remove all this shit. We get a nice internal manipulation right there. Even though it's not technically a turtle soup, but it's still a manipulation, liquidity soup, whatever the fuck you want to call it. I still think it's a manipulation, because we reached that low and then we're displacing higher. That's what I think fucking manipulation is. So we manipulate and then we have that Sibi disrespect, and that's when I slap on my entry. We're manipulating an internal low. We are trading on a less probable day. Well, today SpaceX got released, but still, it's a Friday. It's a low probable day. All right, we're taught not to trade those days, so we're aiming for that 30 to 50 point range, and I believe, yeah, I got 48 points. Yeah, but those two conditions, that's why, like, look, if we saw this, right, and we're like, all right, bet, yeah, we see this, we're definitely gonna hit these highs, I would have gone and cooked. I would have gone and cooked. We're rejecting off of that buy side gap right there. I could have targeted that buy side gap as well. But, we're going for our 30 to 50 points. What's the difference between 30 to 50 points or hitting that top gap right there if I don't have the discipline to follow my rules, especially in trading conditions. That's the thing that a lot of people fail to understand. And I've lost so much fucking money not following my rules, being greedy for profit targets, to where it's literally mentally fortified me to the point where it's like, I need to take what I need to take and then get the fuck out of here. That's essentially what I'm trying to do. So we get that. We slap on the entry after the Sibi gets disrespected, the sell side imbalance gets disrespected, and targeting that for a nice little 1-to-1. No fucking drawdown at all. No drawdown at all. We get that literally in one candle in the trade for about maybe 45 seconds at max. But besides that, yeah, we're on the new TPT Pro account. Yeah, this is a really good trade, and I'm really proud of myself. So, yeah, I'll probably try to upload a payout or some shit. I need to figure out how that shit works. This is my first time ever on a TPT account. So, but yeah, I hope y'all have a great weekend, and I'll let y'all know what I'll be doing during my weekend.